Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds not reliable. So firstly we should check software version, open the application and go to the settings at the right top. Then click on update firmware and now checking for the software update. I have the last version. If you haven't, just click download and then install. If it didn't help you, I recommend it to put your earbud to the charging case and after that close the case. Wait about 15 seconds and after that you can open it. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update, so it can also fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!